HMAR Mobile Tech channel. Today I want to cover 3 quick things that you need to be doing and thinking about during the winter. This is winter car maintenance. Number 1, check your battery. If it's about 3 years old, maybe consider replacing the battery. Make sure your terminals are clean. Maybe do a load test on the battery or do a basic voltage check like in one of the videos that I just made a couple of days ago. It's a really good video, and by the end of the video you'll be familiar with how to do it and how to use a digital multimeter. And then number 2 is you want to make sure that you check your tire pressure. And usually when you open the door of your car, I've seen this on all cars, there's a little placard in there and it's going to say front and rear and spare tire pressure, and it's going to say, for example, 36 psi cold for the fronts. And so what that means is that when the tires are physically cold, the outdoor ambient temperature that it is, you don't check the tire pressure after you've just driven the vehicle or something like that. So that's what that means. And then you want to make sure you check your spare as well and make sure you have all of your tire changing equipment, since you're already going to be there checking your spare tire if you have one. And then you want to make sure that you have the proper amount of coolant, a good radiator cap, and a thermostat, and clean coolant. If you feel that you've got a neglected cooling system because you see stuff floating in there when you take the radiator cap off and look in there, or in your overflow container or your expansion tank, you'll see that it doesn't look clean. And it could be because of the bottle. The expansion tank bottle itself is stained and old, but you can look in there and see if there's anything floating around. If it looks neglected and you know your coolant is more than 5-6 years old and you've got 100,000 miles or more, maybe consider changing your coolant or flushing the cooling system, getting new coolant and thermostat, and this will help tremendously in giving you the hottest air possible that you can get, that is going to circulate through your heater core and then in turn going to give you hot air for this winter weather season that we're in now. You did a good job. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.